Where's the ball, Xavier? Who's got it? Xavier's got the ball.
Xavier! Oh! Whoa! Oh, Xavier! Whoa!
You got it?
Whoa! Xavier got the ball.
Whoa!
Xavier fell down, go boom. There's the ball. Where's the ball? There's the ball. There's the ball. You want to go get the ball?
He's like, nah, not really.
Are you through with the ball thing? Yeah, come here. Come here. Come here. You're such a cute little guy. I gotta hug you just a little bit.